Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Okay, y'all, I'm continuing my Super Bowl. I'm just sharing y'all my top 5 or 6 Super Bowl items that I do at my Super Bowl party. Y'all seen the previous few videos. I'm gonna show you 2 items, make 2 in 1. We're gonna get a bonus video today. I'm gonna show you 2 in 1 what I do every year, every party. This is something that's always on my table, and it's so easy to put together. So let's get started. The first one I'm gonna do, let me set this to the back here, is my cheddar smoked sausage and puff pastry sheets. This is so simple, y'all, so easy. You don't believe how easy this is gonna be, y'all. So I buy puff pastry sheets, and y'all seen these in the frozen food section where the pie dough is. That's where you can find these here. So put a little, turn on the other side here. Okay, this is very simple. See, puff pastry sheets, I use a pepperidge farm one. I don't know if they have another label or not. And what I do, I take eckrich smoked cheddar smoke. I like to use the cheddar smoke. And what I do here, and find my pizza cutter would be better. I guess I'll do it with a knife. There we go. There we go here. What I do, y'all, got how I do this here. Kind of measure it, you know. I put it in the middle here and measure it. Run it like this. Go like this. And where you want to keep a little room, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll it like this. And I fold it up right here. Fold it under here. Let me get organized here, y'all. Usually when I have it all set up and I knock it out so easily. So what I do, measure it out like that. Brush it here with a little egg wash. It's gonna be the glue. Take this down, fold it down like this. Fold it up under. Like this, and then what I do later on, I'm gonna cut them in half after I get them all done. So let me show you another one here, right here. And you want to make sure you put it in the middle. I got about 4 here. I got 2, 4, 6 here, and I'll get 12 out of here because I'm gonna cut them in half. Take this here, roll it open here. Egg wash here. Don't forget your egg wash. That's very important so it'll stick together. That's your glue. So, we'll fold it under here. Definitely want to fold it under there. Set it down to the back. I'm going to show y'all one more here. Then I'll show you how I piece the pieces together. When you flip the pastry out, you see this part with a lot of flour, you want to make sure that's on the bottom of the board. I'll show you one more here, and then I'm going to finish these up, and I'm going to come back, and then we'll start on the other kind. Make sure you do enough to fold over. Brush it here with the egg wash. And then you fold it over just like that. Fold it under. Like I say, these look so pretty once they come out the oven. And that's it. Now I'm going to step off, and then I'm going to finish off the other ones. And I'll come back and show you the next one. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, I got them all on here. Bread it up. Now what I'm going to do now, I got a little dough left. And I'm going to set this to the side if I have to use it for something else. Usually I don't have much dough left at all. Now what I like to do now, I like to take them, because I don't like to have them this long. You could if you want, but I don't like people to have to eat the whole thing because I got so many items. So what I do, I cut them in half, like this. Like this. Like I say, it's usually 6 in a package. And I wind up with 12, of course, because I cut them in half. Here. And one more. And that's it. Now, what I do now, I go back and I brush the top with some egg wash. So they have that nice, pretty, golden brown color. Like I say, y'all, I usually do this right early in the day. You can do this early in the day and just set it aside, and right before everybody starts showing up, I pop them in the oven. Takes about 15-20 minutes in the oven. And that's it. Now, I'm going to set these to the side here, and I'm going to show you my next one. What I do with my little smokies. Now, I know you've seen these little smokies in the store, but not the little smokies. You got these size right here. Let me show you the size. They this size. Not you have one that's this size, but I use this size here. And these are the cheddar. These are the cheddar ones. Have cheddar cheese in them also. I like to use the cheddar because the way they look after they cooked. Okay. What I do with the, okay, now next thing I'm gonna use, I take these grand croissant, you know the croissants you come in the little can here, but I use the big and buttery. That's the one I use. They have a lot of different kinds, but I use the big and buttery one because it tastes so much awesome with what I'm doing, the butter one. Oh man, it's awesome. So what I do, this is so simple, y'all. This is so simple and easy. I just take this, roll them all out like this. Like I say, when I do Super Bowl party, I have to make it easy on myself. I take this thing here, I'll just roll it up just like that, y'all. Very simple. Put it on my pan here. Another one here. Take this, put it at the end, roll it all the way up. Make sure the part on the bottom, the tip is on the bottom. You don't want it to unfold on you. Again, put it right there. Roll it like that. Keep the tip on the bottom. Again, one more time. Like I say, I have all kinds. These things go so fast, y'all, because the sauce that I give with them. And I'll show you the sauce that I serve with them here after they come out. There we go. How many we gonna get out of here? 8. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that leftover puff pastry. Put these over here on here. See that? So easy, y'all. Like I say, Super Bowl parties, especially when you have as much food as I do, you got to be very creative in what you make homemade from scratch and what you that's it. Now, see that extra puff pastry I had left over? We'll use it on this one right here, y'all. Use it right here on this here. See if I can push this together here. Let me see if I can be creative on this, y'all. I know I can. Let me get some egg wash on here though. Make sure it sticks together. I don't want to waste nothing here. Waste nothing here. Put that over here with the puff pastry ones though. I'm not gonna cut. They cook a little bit differently, y'all. A little egg wash on that for glue so it'll stick together. Look at that. Tuck that under. I ain't gonna cut these in half. Okay. This right here next to these. All right, see, made all that work. Now, pull the egg wash on these too. So these will have a nice color too. It's all about presentation, y'all know with me. All about presentation. Okay, now, what I'm gonna do, put these in the oven 375 degrees. Usually I do 350. But these gonna be 375 degrees because when you cooking puff pastry, especially They need to have a higher temperature than 350 because that puff pastry has a lot of butter in it. And you want to activate the butter inside the dough to make it puff. That's why it's called puff pastry. That's what makes it puff. The layers of butter inside the puff pastry. So anyway, I'm going to step out, put this in the oven. We'll be back when they're ready. We'll be back in about 20 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, the croissants are ready. They don't take as long as the puff pastry. Puff pastry is still in the oven. Right now, I'm going to plate up the croissant ones. On the croissant ones, I use this gray poupon mustard, but I use it mild and creamy. It goes so well with this, y'all. It's just amazing how well it goes. So what I do, I'm going to show y'all just like if I was going to do at a real party. I put the sauce in my little glass bowl, and I always use my little glass plates here for these. And I just set them right up on here, just like this, y'all. Just like this. This is how I present it. Now another thing, y'all, I would do 3 times this recipe if I'm doing for actual party. I just did a few just to show y'all how I do it. I'm gonna let these sit here, and I'm gonna taste these both at the same time. I just wanted to let y'all see that, and then when I come back, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my how the puff pastry sausage ones come out. So yeah, these are my sausage rolls. That's what I call them, Super Bowl sausage rolls. I only make them during the sporting events, when it's a football game and stuff like that. They go so fast, y'all. So anyway, I'll be right back in about 10 minutes when the puff pastry get ready. We'll sample all this same time. Be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Now the puff pastry ones are ready. Now you see why I cut them in half. Because it would have been too big for people to just walk around and eat. And see how that sausage just puff out of there and nice and puffed up? That's what you want. Like I say, y'all, I've been doing these for, I don't know how many years. It's so easy. Like I said, I usually make 30 or 40 of these and they be gone. Every one of them be gone. Because it's so easy, people can pick it up when they first get here and just start eating. And something to eat on, you know. Slide these over here. Have my other ones right here. And there we go. Can't go wrong with that. Now that's a good thing to have on your Super Bowl. Like I say, let me reiterate what I did. You take the little smokies and get the croissant, you know, the roll out croissant dough. Make sure it's the butter one. I'm gonna put all this in the description of the video, y'all, so y'all will pretty much know. The Pillsbury is a Pillsbury Grand Croissants, big and buttery. That's the ones I use. And then here's the eckrich smoked breakfast sausage. Really, it's a breakfast cheese sausages I use. Just put it in here, roll it up, brush it with egg wash. Egg wash, all egg wash is, I use 1 egg and a tablespoon of water. Mix it up, brush it on there. And this is just puff pastry with the sausage too. It's also eckrich, but it's the cheddar smoked sausage. It's the larger one. And just put it in there, cut it, roll it up, and it's very simple, y'all. So let's give it what we've been waiting on, the taste test here, which I know they're good, but let me give me a small one here, because I gotta taste 2 of them. Ready? Dip it in the sauce. Of course, they wouldn't be dipping like that. We would put the sauce on the plate. So good, y'all. And this is spicy brown mustard. It goes so well with the cheese sausage and the puff pastry. It goes so well together. Can't go wrong, y'all. Okay. Let me put this on the side. I'll try the croissant one. And see how it was just long enough. That's why when I created it years ago, I need to find something that where the sausage wouldn't stick out so far and would be perfectly fit. And that's what these croissants work out perfectly. Like I say, I use the mild and creamy Dijon mustard. This is so good, y'all. I'm telling you, I don't know if you're having a little gathering, a little party at your house for the Super Bowl, or any little function you have. This is an easy little appetizer, little hors d'oeuvres or whatever to put out, because you can do it ahead. Put them in the refrigerator and just bake them in the oven. They take 15, 20 minutes. I'm telling you, when people start showing up, I throw them in the oven. And take 10, 15 minutes, they start eating. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this little video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share. Please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year of 2021 is help somebody old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. See y'all next video.